Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by powering the lamp and enabling its Bluetooth mode so devices can see it. Hold the lamp's pairing button for about 3 to 5 seconds. You should see a blinking LED, which means the radio is discoverable. Once done, make sure your phone's Bluetooth is on and not connected to other accessories, because simultaneous links can block discovery. You do this to ensure a clean handshake between the lamp and your device, and to avoid timeouts during the next steps. You now open your phone's Bluetooth settings and scan for nearby devices. The lamp should show under its model name. Tap its entry to initiate pairing, and if a code appears, confirm it matches on both ends to authenticate the connection. Once connected, make sure to grant any requested permissions for location or device access, because some systems require them to maintain a stable link. This step finalizes the wireless handshake and prepares the lamp for control. You finish by testing core functions right away. Toggle power, adjust brightness, and change color if available, because early testing confirms a healthy connection. Then install the manufacturer's app to access scenes, schedules, and firmware updates, which often fix stability problems. If something goes wrong, try the key troubleshooting move. Restart the lamp and your phone, forget the lamp in Bluetooth settings, and repair it. Doing that clears stale states and usually restores reliable control within a minute or two.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.